guys, it's Nikki from Tailormade Muscle Cars. So behind me is our friend's '04 Dodge, and it had the 5.7 Hemi in it. And he had the truck since new, and he just drove the snot out of it, 300,000 miles, and the motor finally went. So he got a brand new crate motor from Dodge, 5.7. He wanted it painted old school, so we put it back to like the Hemi orange looking color. And we just got done coating, buffing it, did base coat, clear coat, black paint. It was factory black. Just did the headliner in it. The seats are out at the upholstery place, getting redone. Just a fun little project we're working on. You can see all of the pollen on it, how it needs to be cleaned up. But yeah, so it's almost there. It's getting there. It runs really well. Just got the air conditioning going too. And hope he is happy with it when it's done. We're gonna put together some pictures from before and after. The paint was a wreck just from the Florida sun, South Florida, where he lives, near Miami. So just much better now. Looking good. Well, we hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for some still photos, and we will catch you on the next one. See ya. Thanks. Remember to like and subscribe.
Seven out.